Hey everyone, I'm Pam, and I just want to show you an app in Canva. This is What Is It Wednesday, and I usually do just like the updates to see what is trending and all that. Every month I walk my Canva Clubhouse people through all the new ones, and so I kind of do a couple here and there for you guys. Well, here and there every Wednesday. So let's see here. We are going to do an app today that's called Artvatar. It is, of course, a Canva app. It didn't look like it had any restrictions. This is what it spelled, and that is what the little logo looks like. Um, There you go. Okay. Let's see here. Let's start out. I'm going to walk you through ones that I've done, and then we'll do one real quick at the very end. Okay. All right. So I found a photo of myself, of course, and I used the app, and it gave me this. At first, I was like, dang, all the wrinkles, but I get it. I know what it's I know what it's trying to do. So, but still, the wrinkles. But anyways, all right. So I was like, okay, what can I do with it? So then I thought about it, and I just put, hey, I'm Pam. This could go like in a blog post. This can go on my social media. I don't know if I'll share it on my social media because wrinkles, but it's okay. Just kidding. I'm 50 something years old. I'm not gonna tell you 50 something years old. And I got wrinkles. Oh well. Okay, so I can do that, but also I thought about doing some, like just a word over here. Like I could put my name, or I could put uh let's go, something encouraging. Okay. Then let's go to the next one. And then I have this one that a little lighter. So let's see what it does. The wrinkles though. Okay. All right. I did a couple more images and they were quite scary. So I don't even put those up. So I might show you one at the very end. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Okay. Um, so there's this. We get it, right? Okay. So then I'm like, well, what can I do with it? So then I made a cute little social media post. I rounded up rounded the image a little bit. Just this is where you would go border style and then corner rounding right there. So I put a corner rounding, I put a border, and it's black. You can change the color. Then I went and grabbed a quote from Canva, just element quote, and then I changed the color to match the colors in the image, and then of course the background. So there's that. We'll see. I might share it. Okay, so I'm like, okay, so it does photos. What about digital? Like image, hold on, like this one that I put on my video ones and all that. So let's see what it did to it. Close, kind of. The eyes bother me, so I don't know if I would do anything with it. But I mean, goodness, she has the big eyes, so that's why we did that. Okay, all right. Now, then the next one, this I created this last week, made some things with it, and I'm like, okay, let's try this one page. Okay, here we go. So I've showed you all of the images that I went ahead and did today. This one I tried to play with the colors a little bit, and let's see, clicking on the see all. And then, come on, the filters. I played around with it. And then, yep. Okay, so I showed you all of those. Um, I'm going to go ahead and head on out. So please comment, like, subscribe, heck, even share it if you want. Okay, just to show what we can do in Canva. If you are not in my Facebook group, come on over. It's Canva Creations with Pam. The links will be in the comments. Okay, and then make sure you watch my other videos. Like a couple of those too. And if you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days, please do. The link will be in below. And also, thank you so much for watching. And I appreciate you even doing that. So, tomorrow I'm going to be working on Teach It Thursday. So, I I do Tip Tuesday, What Is It Wednesday, and Teach It Thursday. Those are videos that I'll do every week. And then I do a Markup Monday and a Freebie Friday, all in the Facebook group. So come on over, Canva Creations with Pam. All right. And then if you want a little bit more on how to do really cool, unique designs, I give tips and tricks. We have Zooms, you get products, all that. The Canva Clubhouse.com. Okay. Thank you very much.